Hi everyone, so today's tutorial is how I make the PICOT stitch, and there are actually two ways of doing this, but I'm gonna show you the one that's for most of my plushies. So I've already started the round and I insert my hook, I yarn over or yarn under, it's the same however way you prefer it, and like this. Now if you were going to make a single crochet, you would just like pull your yarn and pull it through both loops, but for this PICOT stitch you're gonna pull through just one. That counts as one loop. For my plushies, you're going to make a total of 6. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now once you're done with the 6th one, just pull it out through the other loop and continue on the row with a single crochet, or whichever stitch is from the tutorial. So now we have this nice little loop, and if you're making the axolotl just like this, it'll actually be this is where we are going to attach the gills. So let's go one more time. So I've made my single crochet over here. I'm going to start like if I were going to make another single crochet, but pull through just the first loop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and then just pull through the other loop. Bring the loop that you just made forward and then single crochet once again. This will be the final time. So insert your hook like if you were going to make a regular single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, pull through the other one. If you notice, as I'm making the chains, I'm pulling them down so that they aren't as tight. So we finish off with a single crochet, and this is the start of our gills.